Hey everyone, AOC Q27G41XMN is a newly released 27-inch gaming monitor that brings high-end display technology at an affordable price. Designed with gaming and creative work in mind, this monitor features a 2560 by 1440 resolution, providing a sharp and detailed image quality. Its fast VA panel ensures deep blacks and vibrant colors, thanks to a remarkable 5,000 to 1 static contrast ratio. Ultra-high refresh rate of 180 Hz significantly improves motion clarity, reducing ghosting and delivering a smooth experience for fast-paced games. With a 1 millisecond GTG response time, input lag is kept to a minimum, making it an excellent choice for competitive gaming. One of the standout features of the Q27G41XMN is its use of QD mini LED technology. It comes with 1,152 dimming zones and 4,608 independently controlled LED lights, enhancing contrast and providing deep blacks for a more immersive viewing experience. Additionally, the inclusion of a quantum dot nano-coating expands color accuracy, covering 97% of the DCI-P3 and 100% of the sRGB color gamut. AOC has factory calibrated the panel to achieve a delta E below 2 accuracy, ensuring that colors are precise straight out of the box, which is beneficial for both gamers and content creators. The monitor is HDR 1000 certified and has a peak brightness of 1200 nits, making HDR content look more vibrant with enhanced details in both bright and dark scenes. With adaptive sync, screen tearing and frame drops are minimized, resulting in a more fluid gaming experience. The display stream compression feature ensures that high refresh rates in 2K resolution are maintained without any image quality loss over a single cable connection. For eye comfort, the Q27G41XMN includes DC dimming to eliminate screen flicker, along with a low blue light mode that offers 4 presets optimized for different activities such as gaming, office work, media consumption, and reading. Additionally, the display incorporates hardware-level anti-glare protection, reducing reflections and enhancing long-session usability. Gamers will appreciate the specialized features included in this monitor. A 3-level sniper scope magnifier allows for more precise aiming, while a dynamic assist crosshair aids in target acquisition. A real-time FPS counter displays the monitor's refresh rate to keep track of performance, and the game mode settings let users customize visual profiles for different genres. Shadow enhancement further improves visibility in darker game environments, helping players spot hidden opponents more easily. Connectivity options include HDMI 2.0, DisplayPort 1.4, and a standard audio output. The ergonomic design of the monitor features an adjustable stand and is VESA 100 by 100 millimeters compatible, allowing for flexible mounting options. Weighing 6.35 kilos with the stand and 5.38 kilos without, it is well suited for both gaming and professional creative work. Overall, the AOC Q27G41XMN is a feature-rich gaming monitor that offers high-end display performance at a competitive price. Its combination of QD mini LED technology, high refresh rate, fast response time, and HDR support makes it an attractive option for gamers and content creators alike. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and God bless you.